Welcome to qnawire.
So we're given the original height to be h0. And then after the first bounce, the maximum height is 0.65 times h0. And after n times, the maximum height will be hn times, hn equals 0.65 to the nth power times h0. And then from kinematics, we've learned that from v final squared minus v initial squared equals 2 times acceleration times displacement, we get this expression, vn squared equals 2g hn. And taking the square root, we get vn equals this. And then using the uncertainty principle, h bar should be equal to the delta x times delta p. And we take delta x to be the maximum height after n times, and take delta p to be the momentum of the ball. And then h bar equals hn momentum is m times v. And then we plug in the expression for v to get this. And then we combine the two terms containing hn to get m square root 2g h to the 3/2. And now we plug in the expression for hn above. So here we get this final expression, h bar equals m square root 2g times 0.65 to the n h0 parentheses 3/2. So this is an equation just for m, because we're already given m and h0, and we know what g is, right? So we can solve n to be 105 times.